Hi, I'm Diane Francis. I'm a classroom teacher and I develop curriculum at Robot Lab. Our mission at Robot Lab is to create engaging curriculum which provides students with opportunity for hands-on experience with robotics, programming, and coding. The students also get to develop their critical thinking skills, analyzing, debugging, and collaboration. Let me introduce you to engineering design with LittleBit's Code Kit. LittleBits are electronic building blocks that are actually magnetic and really easy to connect to one another. This is great because it teaches students about inputs and outputs and how to connect these to get LittleBits to do what they want them to. In addition, LittleBits also has a programming app where students can program LittleBits to do specific things. Within the engineering design with LittleBit's Code Kit, the students get to learn about loops, logic, variables, and function. My personal favorite lesson is a lesson on functions. In this lesson, the students first start by creating their very own handshake and writing it as if it were a function. In the observe section, the students get to practice using functions and better understanding when to use a function within their program, and some pitfalls to make sure to avoid. And then in the explore section, the students and teachers get to spend some time looking at what the purpose of a function is and why a programmer would use it within their program. In the act section, the students get to brainstorm how they're going to accomplish the goal for the day, which is creating multiple dance moves, which will be showing up on an LED matrix. In the reflection module, the students reflect back on the things that they struggled with and how they overcame those challenges, as well as explaining how functions are used within programming. If you want to learn more, you can view hundreds of lessons on Engage K12. I'll see you there.